Hey girl, if you like this wig, stay tuned because it is beautiful, it is voluminous, and it is tailorable to your liking. I love this protective style, especially on the days that you don't feel like doing your hair. You can put this puppy on in 2 minutes and you're out the door. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Trina Claiborne, your 4C hair transformation coach. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back, and I'm so glad that you are here. Well, today's video I am going to review protective style. It is a wig from Anna Soul that I found on Amazon, and for me, protective styles for me requires that all of my hair is covered, and I always looking for a very low cost ways to do that and still look very, very nice. Now I've gone through Amazon and I came across this wig because I really wanted to mimic my hair, so to speak, in the curly state, and so I came across what's called Anna Soul wig. Now, of course, you know, when I first went on my hair journey, one of the disasters happened was the fact that I dyed my hair and damaged my hair. And since I've been on this journey, there's only a few natural hair influencers that have dyed their hair and really took care of their hair and didn't get any repercussions from it. But it is a lot of work. It can be done, but I have decided that chances are I'm not going to be dyeing my hair with the traditional way of dyeing my hair. And because of that, I wanted to try this wig out simply because this wig has several different colors. Now, the color that I got, I think it's the dark brown. Yeah, it's the dark brown version, so it's close to my hair it is today. But I wanted to try it out first. But this wig comes in red, purple, black ombre, ombre blonde, dark brown, copper, black to brown, and black. That's the color I have, black to brown. So, I'm sorry, I have dark brown. I think I do. I'll open it up. It's been a while since I ordered. I ordered it back in 2023 at the end of the year. But I wanted to try this wig, and it's under $30. So I wanted to try it to see how I like it, to dictate whether or not I try out some of the other colors. So it comes with some stickers. I'm not sure what that's for. I guess if you got kids, you can use that for your kids. It's got some crowns, some sticker crowns, and look like, I guess, Hello Kitty. But if you have any kids, you can stick it on lunch boxes or whatnot. And it comes with 2 wig caps, which is always great to have. Not necessarily my color, but who cares? It'll be covered anyway with the wig. But this, okay, let's see what else it comes with. It comes with some gold hoop earrings. Now, that was a surprise. I didn't expect to see that in there. But it comes with a pair of gold hoop earrings. Okay. And, like I said, it's been a while since I ordered this wig. Evidently, I got the black. I thought that I ordered the dark brown, but I guess it really doesn't matter because I'm getting ready to dye my hair black anyway. So if I can get my hair to look and feel the way I want it to look and feel, hopefully you won't see the difference in that. But just showing you how it comes. Of course, this is the very front of the wig, and it's got the two combs on the side. You see that? And then of course it has the sizers in the back to where you can get it to fit your head. Now, I'm not sure of the size of this wig, so what I always like to do, let's see, what I always like to do is try it on first to see just how, if it's big enough or whatever the size is, so I'll know how to make the adjustments. So we'll put this one and see where I need it. Okay, it's not, evidently I must have a big head because I don't need to size it up too much. I do need to add some tightness to it, but not a whole lot actually. I think this second strap is probably good for me. Put it on there. Now all you do is just add that in, if you can see that. Let's just add this into the second strap. Okay, I think that's all I need. But anyway, so that is the back, and secure it in the back. Strip it to the front. And of course, you know you've got to manipulate it, and I got my mirror here so that I can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay. Now, I didn't wet this wig or anything like that. As you saw, I just pulled it straight out of the bag. I wasn't sure if it's gonna fall the way I need it to fall in terms of shaping my head. I probably will have to cut this a little bit because I don't like it covering up my eyes a whole lot. So I'm gonna go get my scissors and see if I can't shape this up a little bit. So hold on. So these are my wig scissors. Actually my everything scissors. I have scissors dedicated for my natural hair, but I don't use those for my wigs. Okay, so let's see if I can, I don't know if you can still see me here, but that is a lot of hair. So I want to be able to reshape it. So I'm going to
A few months later.
Okay, I have a little bit of a confession to make. I wasn't very happy at the direction of the reshaping of this wig, so I got frustrated. I stepped away from it, and I know what I want this shape to look like. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna continue cutting it on camera, but I'm just gonna play with it until I get the shape that I want. I want kind of like an oval shape, but this right now is kind of flared out like a triangle, and I want it to oval and to shape my face. So I'm gonna play with it and see how I can get it close to the image that's in my head. So So I don't have the greatest cutting techniques, and I'm gonna continue to still use these scissors to get it done. So I'm just going to play with it a little bit. I wish I had a bigger mirror so that I could see it because it's such big hair. But I think I'm okay with the length. So I'm gonna start with just kind of cutting away this bigness and keep it going in a round fashion. Okay, I think I got it where I want it to be as far as shape wise in the front, and unfortunately I can't see the back, so I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, I got hair everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the back. Okay, if you can see that. Okay, that's what it looks like. I probably should not have worn this black. I probably should not have worn this black shirt so that I can see where it falls. But let me take a look at it myself in the mirror. I'll be right back. I don't like the way it looked in the back, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install her on this, and to see if I can reshape the back to kind of mimic the front so that it'll look like a smooth transition if you're walking around me and seeing, you know, if it is consistent. So I'm gonna go and do that now. And if, as you notice, I shaped it away from my face because I don't want it all crowded into my face. So I did cut it back that way on the mannequin. And so to show you what it looked like from the back on my head, here we go. Okay. So with this experience, cutting this wig in this curly state, there's one thing that I know for sure. And I know some of you natural hair ladies like doing this, is getting a curly girl cut. I would never do that. Why? Because cutting this hair in this state covers up a lot of imperfections. So your hair is not going to be in any type of straight girl hairstyle. It's just not a good way to cut your hair in a curly state. So I know that that's something that I will never do. But anyway, because this is a wig, I'm willing to do that and just simply get it to shape according to I want it shaped, according to my head shape and what I'm wanting to style, how I want to style this hair. Now the good thing about it, this wig comes with so much hair and so much length that you can tailor it to however you want, whether it's shorter than this, because you can definitely go shorter than this. And if you want to keep it long and just reshape it however you want, you know, I'm not a spring chicken. So I don't need all this long Floyd Diana Ross hair. If that's you, girl, you do you. But what I like about this wig is that I can tailor it to how I want it. And so now that I got it shaped the way I want it shaped, I can just throw this puppy on it within 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm ready and I'm out the door. So tell me what you think about this wig. I'll put the link in the description box. I absolutely love it. It took some time for me to, you know, to wrestle with this hair, because it is a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot of hair. Okay? So, but if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. And if you like it, please leave a comment. Let me know if you have this wig. Let me know what you think, what you did with it, how you feel about it, if you're still rocking it. And I'm looking forward to holding on to this wig for a minute, because on the days that I don't want to do my hair, you know, girl, we're going to be pulling this out. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so that you will not miss another video. And thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video. Mwah!